Hey guys, Dr. Berg here. In this video, I want to talk about nutritional yeast. Now, when you think about yeast, eating yeast, you probably think, oh wow, I don't want to get candida, I don't want a yeast infection, but that's not what nutritional yeast is. In fact, nutritional yeast is not brewer's yeast either to make beer or bread or whatever. Nutritional yeast is nutritional. It's very, very different, and you can consume it. It looks like this right here. And this is really amazing stuff because you want to, first of all, make sure you get the non-fortified version, because a lot of times they'll add synthetic vitamins, which we don't want synthetic vitamins. We want non-fortified, okay? But check this out. Nutritional yeast has a complete amino acid profile. It's a complete protein. It has all of the amino acids, and it's a vegan source. So, I mean, think about it. You can eat a steak and you can get a protein, but this is a complete protein, which is very interesting. I don't know if you can eat tremendous amounts of it. It's kind of an interesting taste, but it gives you a lot of amino acids, which are building blocks for proteins and body tissue and hormones and neurotransmitters and a whole bunch of other things, okay? Number two, it gives you nearly all of the B vitamins. And that's really cool because it's very difficult to get B vitamins in food, especially if you're not doing grains. Normally when you have an unrefined grain, you get B vitamins, but we don't want to consume grains because they turn into sugar. But this is a really good source of B vitamins. So B vitamin deficiencies, it creates stress, it creates the need for insulin to go up, a lack of carbohydrate metabolism, a lack of detoxification from your liver, nerve pain. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. Nightmares. So this really gives you the B vitamins, especially if you have this stress buildup. You just have a teaspoon a day, okay? So it gives you the B vitamins. It also has amazing minerals. Yeah, minerals like zinc, phosphorus. I mean, think about phosphorus. Phosphorus is the accelerator of the nervous system. So if you're tired, phosphorus will actually give you energy. Selenium for the immune system. Molybdenum, which I can't even pronounce that, but that is a mineral, a trace mineral, that allows the liver to detoxify chemicals. So this stuff is amazing. So what I recommend is do a tablespoon or a teaspoon a day. I give it to my dog. My dog loves it. Now the question is, how do you consume it, right? These little flakes, you take a teaspoon and you just eat it. Okay, it gets in your teeth a little bit, but you wash it down. You could mix it with peanut butter or other things, but I just eat it directly. Okay, so go ahead and try this. I recommend you take 1 teaspoon, but make sure you get the non-fortified version. All right, I'll see you in the next video.